If you have Notion program installed on your Windows computer and you wish to uninstall it, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Notion from your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or 11, this process should be the same. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, you need to look for Control Panel program on your Windows computer. If you don't see Control Panel, go to Start menu here, and from Start menu just search for Control Panel like that, and you should see it is here. If you tap on it, now here you will have various programs that you can use under Control Panel. From this list, look for Programs and Features option and just click on it to open, and this will list all the programs that are installed on your Windows computer. Here we can now uninstall this Notion program together with its files permanently. To do that, scroll down until you see Notion, and here it is. Now to uninstall it, if you just tap on it, now you should see we have this option to uninstall. If you don't see this, you can just right click on your Notion program and you should see now you have this option to uninstall. Tap on uninstall and then confirm that indeed you want to uninstall Notion, and immediately you will see the program will be removed. As you can see, I no longer have now the Notion program on my computer. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Notion app. In some cases, for complete uninstallation, you might need to restart your computer for the files to be removed completely. Now if I go back to this Control Panel, as you can see, we no longer have Notion program on our list. So that's how you can do it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.